Okay, we've now got some ideas flowing. Let's make sure our ChatGPT project is set up so it always gives us the kind of output that we want. Because here's the thing, a creative assistant is only as good as the brief you give it. When I'm planning a project, I focus on three things. Goal, what is the assistant actually here to do? Audience, who are we talking to? Voice and style, how should the content feel? Let's talk about the goal portion to start with. Goal is your North Star. For my TikTok hook writer, the goal is to help me write short, scroll-stopping TikTok hooks for trending products. It's specific, measurable, and leaves no confusion. Let's also talk about the audience bit. So if I know my target viewer is a busy 18 to 25-year-old scrolling on their lunch break, I'll tell ChatGPT that. It makes a difference. The tone will shift, the examples will be relevant, and the assistant won't waste time on things my audience doesn't care about. Finally, voice and style. This is where you inject personality. Do you want content that's casual and chatty, or polished and professional? For my TikTok assistant, I might say use conversational language, make it feel like advice from a friend, and keep it under 8 seconds. And here's a pro tip. Store your favorite prompts inside the project. That way you're not typing them from memory each time. Here's a quick example. Give me 5 hook ideas for a product that makes people laugh. Turn this product description into a TikTok script. Write a hook that uses curiosity and suspense. Now, anytime you log in, those prompts are right there, ready to fire. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into my ChatGPT screen and give this a spin. Let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it within my project instructions. Open up instructions and add, give me 5 hook ideas for whatever product name I insert. Turn this product description into a TikTok script. Write a hook that uses curiosity and suspense. Follow these instructions exactly every single time. Respond to me in a sarcastic tone. Okay, so I've saved the instruction. So I'm going to go ahead now and test this out and see what it comes up with. So I'm just going to create some hook for a video about a new tube cleaner. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, here are 5 sarcastic laugh bait TikTok hooks for your shiny new vacuum cleaner using the problem agitation solution method. So it's remembered that from that initial instruction that we put on, a POV, you thought your carpet was clean until this vacuum exposed your entire life's worth of bad decisions. Ever wanted a vacuum so strong it could suck up your will to live? Well, this is one that actually can. It is giving me some sarcastic responses. You can customize this to whatever you want to try and test out. You could even try some funny ideas and see what comes up for you. In the next lesson, we're going to take all this planning and actually create high quality content with it without starting from scratch. Are you with me so far? Good. Let's jump straight into the next lesson.